Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're back with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. And we've got a toy from Kohl's. They're one of their the Kohl's toys, or whatever it is. They're little charity toys. This one is Are You My Mother dog. And, excuse me, I like this one because it has a separate mouth, or at least it will in a moment. So there he is. Now, he is a stuffed animal. And let's see, we're going to go ahead and we'll remove the tag. I say that. Those tags are tough to remove. Okay, and we're going to do the mouth first, okay? So I know that I've got something to work with. So here we go. I'm going to take my seam ripper. There's one. Wow, that's all it took. That's going to be an odd character, though, but that's okay. I think we're going to work it out. I didn't look and see if, you know what? Okay, we'll make it work, because I don't think it's gonna be as well. We'll see. Okay, so I think what we should do, again, to be delicate, I think we'll work on the back. I can get in there like that, and we'll start with the spot where they finalize the stuffing. I have found it to be right here on the back. We're going to do it. Okay, we're not going to do it. We're going to do it in a second here. Hold on a second. Let's get it right there and give it a little push. There's a little blade on it, so I did start it. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's going to go right up to the neck and maybe back a little bit. Just like that. Okay, I think maybe if I just take a few more stitches off there. There we go. Okay, so let's get the foam stuffed down into the body. So it's out of the way. Let's remove the foam from the lower mouth area, the lower jaw. Just like that. Simple as pie. Now here's the part that I think I figured out too late, is that the top part of the mouth is sewn shut. Now, that being said, I may be able to, because I think that it was sewn shut up there, but I think I may be able to pull the stitches loose and make the mouth work after all. So that being said, I will pull that part through here, and it looks like, wow, it looks like they've done a lot of sewing in this area, but I might be able to do it. Okay, hold on a second here. That's the top. I don't know what's what. They've done a lot of sewing in here, but I think that's the space right there. Okay, so we're going to try this. And I'm trying mainly not to poke a hole in my hand. There we go. Let's take one there. Whoop, there we go. That might do it. Let's see here. Hold on. Let's see. That would be so cool if I could get this to work. I think I may have done it. I think. Oh, yeah. Let's see, unless it goes right through to... Oh, that's a wah-wah. Okay, well, at least I know I'm in the right area. It went right through his neck. Plan B. Here we go. You ready? Here's plan B. I'm just going to put my hand inside. Just like this. Are you my mother? No, I'm not your mother. I don't know if that's is this the mother, supposed to be the mother? Let me see here. Hold on a second. This is supposed to be the mother. So let's see here if it tells me more. Someone's going to tell me that they already read this book. I was past this, I think. This probably came out years after. No, it doesn't say other than okay. So here we go. Are you my mother? No, I'm not your mother. I don't know. I don't know if that's going to work too well. Let's try it again. Are you my mother? No, I'm not your mother. I'm not your mother today. Okay, well, let's try. We'll try it one more time. Are you my mother? No, I'm not your mother. I'm your father. No, that's from some sort of movie about space, I think it is. But anyways, there it is. There is the Am I Your Mother puppet. I can hold it like this. We can read the book and we can say, are you my mother? No, I'm not your mother. I'm not your mother. I don't even know if that has anything to do with the book. But anyways, there he is, or there she is. The I'm Not Your Mother dog. I'm just going to have her laid like that. And this is for those of you who have been with us before. Thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, thank you very much for coming along. And please feel free to subscribe. And one last time, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. That's about the best we can do is maybe I can hold it like that and go, bye-bye. 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 Thank you very much. Bye-bye.